folks, I'm back with the setup that I've been using, and that is the Retay T20. Done some 3D printed parts for it, and these are basically the cover for the gauge, my own suppressor design, and also at the front there, just here, a dust plug. So I'm using the DiscoveryOpt MPVO 2x24 by 30 tube scope. It's the first focal plane. It's illuminated, really good scope. So it goes well with the rifle. And on the back of it I've got the one leaf Commander NV100 to record through the scope. It's also night vision compatible, so you can shoot at night. Basically it illuminates the area through the scope. So switched on there. I'll get my glasses, I think. So the reason I got my glasses, if I weren't actually recording this for you, I won't need it. Because I am, my eyes need to adjust to the actual scope. And if I make adjustments on here to suit my eye, it'll be out of focus for you lot. So basically with the glasses, it puts my eyesight where it needs to be. So any adjustments you should see, and I should see the same thing. So okay, I'm recording. Just see, there we are. Let's get a white background. It's going a bit high. It's better. That's all of them gone. Okay. So it's not a bad combination. Don't know if you can think back to when I first got this rifle, how bad it was. That's spot on now. On most of my rifles I use the H&N Baracuda 8s because they're good pellets. Don't get so many bent skirts as the JSB varieties. Hey then. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's come all the way in. It's come all the way out. Now that doesn't happen, it ain't got a focus on the scope, it's just I've got a camera on the back. So I have to refocus that bit. As you can see the numbers still. Okay. And that's it, I'm out. So, that's a rifle tuned and zeroed. I'll leave the links for the scope, also the target down there, the box targets, got a link for that as well. So just a quick look at the rifle setup for the time being, as it will be. So catch you in the next video.